Usar Bobby Charlton way nagning kay football pa paunam juga Manchester United at kumjuru juga England ulakha no ka ata ka ba proper Jerusalem. Bobby Charlton ulele ka hidup kat Muslim ka Manchester United. Kumjuru ulam ikmat ka England ka senam chakna spa ndupun rio senam ka ba England kali ora ya ka World Cup. Hadin ba ulah song thai ka kamya ka football ulalong ru way ni kina punya jong ka club Manchester United ka ba ulabat ka kadan kamu director of football. Khana jong Sir Bobby Charlton ka pau day namar bau de win na plenki player ki Lait na ka jing crash jong ka Eroplein ka balaket iki player jong Manchester United habai Munich akasnam shak na spa san fufra prangot ki players jong ka Manchester United ki Khlad na ka Jinghap ka te ka Eroplein ka por bakan mot ban mi ha ka por baka Eroplein ka dang mot ban mi na ka kat lingson ka ban pa Bayern Munich kani kalong hadin baka Manchester United ka da bila kai baka club Red Star Belgrade ban final support England. Bobby Charlton ulong away ni ki player ka na katega Jinghap ka Eroplein bat lang bajung la tepat ya ka team jong ka Manchester United hakisnam ki babot ulong away ni ki player ka ara ru ya ka European Cup FA Cup bat kumju uru ka English Premier League.
Bobby and Jackie Charlton were born in Ashington, one of those remarkable mining villages in the northeast where if you want a good footballer, you simply whistle down the pit and up comes an international.
Rengkat baru Jeff Hurst berkuih di player jong ka England Bobby Charlton ulo pensak nam ya ka jing la kai football ka jong da ka penlai ka England banyak rak ya ka World Cup ka sam syah das pa inde pendriu aba ka England ka job persya ka Germany asa kola bro ka sin ka banengkong ba ka khadu ka England ka rak ya ka World Cup.
This is what European football.
Khana jong ka Jinghap ka Eroplein ka paket ya ki players jong ka Manchester United bakam juru ya ki official jong ka kamkot na ka jingmi akin la patai ka bor ane lawan ra ka jadi ka bajan preng ka Manchester United baka club Bayern Munich bakam juru preng ka England baka Germany ka sawana hadin bala hap ka ni ka Eroplein ki nurse ki doctor ke basumar ya ki players jong ka Manchester United preng sobha ya ki po Old Trafford ka bedai ka jagai la ka jong ka Manchester United. Jadi hajar mut ki pajba kliami ban pinang sobha ki nurse ki doctor ba ki wide ki lerap ikini na ka ka Manchester United po Old Trafford yang sobha ba kumju ban pun pau ka juburam nama ka jingerap ka sabun ki jongki ki players ka por ki dang mensa ba sa sumar hapo ka hostel ben po Bayern Munich ndrup santali ki snam ki la ya na du ba ka te Eroplein ka ba ki player jong Manchester United kala haba po Bayern Munich hadu mentah ki si ka mentah hamal la ki jela kai ba ka Manchester ba ka Munich ki la kai kajian bagi jengkan mau buram ye ketika Jinghap ka Eroplein be kham tam ye to ki Khlad no ha ketika Jinghap ka Eroplein.
The remaining players here and myself are now considered out of danger, and this can be attributed to the wonderful treatment and attention given us by Professor Maurer and his wonderful staff who are with you today as guests of the club. Again, it's wonderful to hear that the club have reached the semi-final of the FA Cup. And I enclose my best wishes to everyone.
Matt Busby's reborn babes in their fourth match since the disaster show their guests that disaster cannot quench their...